Students, hope you are all doing good, and today onwards we are going to do our FA1 revision. Understand students, here I am going to discuss about few MCQs based on your exam. Okay students, let's start. So first question, choose the correct answer. Here I am going to give mix, both chapter 1 and chapter 2 will be mixed together and I will be discussing few MCQs. Okay students, so first question, choose the correct option. The reciprocal of -1 is. What is the reciprocal? If any number that is having the denominator, that denominator will come upward and the numerator will come downward. That we are calling it as reciprocal. Here -1 is there. -1 denominator is not there. So if denominator is not there, we are considering it as 1. What will be the reciprocal? Reciprocal will be 1 by 1 minus. Understand? The minus will be as like that in reciprocal. Okay. So the option is A. The reciprocal of -1 is -1 only. Understand students? Let's move on to the next question. The rational number P by Q. Everyone knows the format of the rational number, that is always in the form P by Q. P by Q, P is equal to any integer. कोई भी integer आएगा, negative, positive, 0 भी आएगा. Understand? What about the Q? Options you have to see. Q is equal to 0, Q not equal to 0, and Q is equal to 0 to 100. So you have to recollect the properties of the character of the integer. In that character of the integer, where Q is not equal to 0, there is one option is that Q is not equal to 0. Understand students? And let's move on to the next question, that is the number does not have any reciprocal. Which number is does not having any reciprocal? That is 0, 1, -1. 0, 1, -1, which is not having any reciprocal. That is 0 is not having any reciprocal. For example, here also you can see. Understand? When we put reciprocal, it is there. But in case of 0 by 1 करेंगे, 1 by 0 ऐसा कभी fraction नहीं आएगा. Understand? So which number is not having any reciprocal? 0 is not having any reciprocal. Understand students? Let's move on to our fourth question. Question number 4. The additive inverse of 4 by 3 is. One, you have to keep it in mind. In additive inverse, plus number will become negative and negative number will become positive. Understand students? That you have to keep it in mind. But number वैसे ही रहेगा, सिर्फ sign change होगा. Okay. So the additive inverse of 4 by 3 is. 4 by 3 is positive integer. Understand? Is option देखिए, 3 by 4, 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So what is the option? Same number आएगा, like in that the sign will be different. So minus 4 by 3. Understand students? Let's move on to our fifth question, that is 7 by 5 lies between. कौन से दो नंबर, in which between two numbers? 7 by 5 कौन से दो नंबर के बीच में lies होता है? Is coming. Understand? That we have to discuss. So option is 1 and 0, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. इसमें कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा? इसमें क्या आएगा? 1 and 0, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. तो ये कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? If 5 by 5 is there, that divide and we will get 1. Understand students? 5 by 5 होता है तो 1 आता है. And if it is 7 by 5, what will happen? 1 से डिवाइड होकर रिमाइंडर आएगा तो क्या होता है? 1 से ग्रेटर. So you can keep it in mind that 7 by 5 lies between 1 and 2. Understand students? Let's move on to the few more questions. Okay.